Hey everyone, welcome to my eyebrow tutorial. So to start off this tutorial, I'm taking the e.l.f. pomade in the shade Espresso with the e.l.f. dual eye brush. And I'm going to spritz some water in there because I find it a lot easier if the product is wet. So I'm going to start halfway through my eyebrow and just making a straight line, sort of to like the tip of the brow. Then lightly with a very light hand with hardly any product on, I just go to the front of the brow very lightly, just like so, to create sort of like the fade effect so you don't get like a very boxy brow. Then we're going to start with the top of the brow, so I'm starting where I started at the bottom, and I'm just creating the straight line, tracing my eyebrow hairs, and then I'm creating my arch. You can do however you like your arches, and I'm just going to drag that straight down to create the tail of the brow. And then I'm doing the same thing as I did to the bottom, where I took a very light hand with very light product on the brush and doing the front of the brow. Then go ahead and fill it in. So I like my tails very dark, and then once I get to the middle of the brow, I do a very much lighter hand, and then when I get to the front, I hardly put any force onto the brush to get the faded effect. And don't forget to be brushing on your eyebrow. So for the front, you want to take the brush to like forward motions and go back and forth with the product that's in the middle of the brow to get the faded effect. Then I take my brush and make like little false hairs in the front, and then I blend that out. And I realize that some people brush like straight through their brow. I like to comb sort of like up at an angle because it makes your eyebrow look more fuller. I don't know, it's just my opinion. Then I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer and just carving out my brow. Then I go ahead and touch up my brow. This is where I make sure my lines are clean and smooth. I have my tail look perfect as I want it. I make sure that everything is combed out and smooth, and I just make sure that my brow just looks really great. And I realized that when you're doing your eyebrow after you apply concealer, the brow product just looks amazing, like 100 times better after you apply concealer. I don't know, I think it's really useful. It makes the brow look so much better. Then I took my Maybelline Superstay foundation and just went and carved out the top of the brow and combed it out. I know you guys can see those baby hairs underneath my brow, so I'm just going to go ahead and pluck them out. So I'm taking the concealer again and carving out my brow. I do not do this every day. I only do this if I pluck my eyebrows because the tweezers just take off the concealer and make the concealer just look nasty. So I don't do that every day. And then I'm taking the Eyebrow palette in the shade La Costa, and I'm doing that to highlight my brow bone. After highlighting your work complete. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it might seem like a lot of steps, but trust me, it wasn't, and it's totally worth it. So I left my other eyebrow undone so you can see it before and after. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!